guys, welcome to another unboxing video.
That is right, we are here with another Tenny unboxing. So last time we got the astronaut and alien, the racer girl and the devil. We got the ghost school, I think. Oh, this is the ghost school, and this is the schoolgirl.
Yeah.
This is the zookeeper.
And the werewolf.
And the werewolf, and there again. And then here's the angry sides. So then this is what we got in our last unboxing of Tenny Freaks.
Yes.
So now we're doing more. And we're hoping for some new ones. So
I can't wait to open mine.
here we go. So which one are you looking forward to, Lauren? Here's the yummy mummy.
Yeah, I like the yummy mummy.
Okay. So let me snip yours.
Yeah.
And snip.
Oh, I got one puzzle pieces though.
Did we get duplicates?
No.
Okay, good. So go ahead and put the new one on.
Oh, this is so cool.
Oh, okay. So what this one is the daredevilish. So you got a daredevil and then a bat. That is really cool.
Oh, this is so cool too.
Okay.
It's kind of like the yummy one.
Oh, what'd you get?
It's kind of like it now.
Ooh, that's cool. So you got pull out your puzzle pieces. So this one is the.
This is cool. That's so cool.
It is. What is it?
Oh, Dylan, look at this over here.
Oh, I can't find it.
Oh, I think I can.
Did you find it?
Oh,
found it.
I found it.
It's Miss Switch. No, it's Miss Switch.
Yeah, this one.
It's a girl with, I think, I don't know, but she has something.
It's like kind of like a
It's
witch.
a granny, and then you have a witch on the back.
It's kind of like a witch,
So it's,
but I don't like that.
it's really cool. So you have the witch and then the granny. So that's really cool.
Here's the thing, if you didn't
Okay,
see.
so that was open mine. Okay, we got new ones. We got the fire frightener. We got the fire frightener. So we got the fireman, and then like the grim reaper.
I'm looking for it.
So look, we got
Yeah.
it's the fire fighter. So we got the fireman and then the grim reaper. So that's very cool. So we got him, and then the next one is we got a duplicate.
Oh.
We got the astronaut alien.
Well, I can just have that one. But at least we got everything else different. We need to build this puzzle. I want to.
So again, we got the alien
Ooh, I
and the
almost got the
astronaut.
word.
That kind of stinks, but you know, we got everything else normal.
Yeah.
So more puzzle pieces. I think this connects with that. I think it connects. It is connect. So how do these connect? I don't think this connects. So
And here's the different sides of them. If you want to see them like both, but different sided. And then we got this one that's kind of like a bat. We kind of got like a witch. And we got these two, like the astronaut and the alien. We got a devil and like a kind of like a fan or something like that. We got Girl Scouts and where's the Girl Scouts?
we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need 5 more to complete our collection.
And this is the Ghost Scouts. And we got a zookeeper, and we got a werewolf, and then we got the firefighter, and then we got what is it called again? Firefighter, and then firefighter.
It's the fire frightener.
And then we got a frightener right over here.
So yeah, these are definitely really cool. We are going to try to get some more and do an unboxing and hopefully complete the collection. So we hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we will be doing more on Tenny Fix eventually, and we'll see you next time.